Adding a voiceover to your Canva project is easier than ever, and there are multiple ways to do it, depending on your needs. Let's walk through each method step by step. First, you can record your voiceover directly in Canva. Start by opening your design or video project. On the left-hand side, go to the Uploads tab and click on Record Yourself. This will launch Canva's built-in recording studio. Here, you can select your microphone and choose whether to record only your voice or include video too. When you're ready, hit the record button and speak clearly. Once you're done, click Done, and your voiceover will be automatically added to your project's timeline or slides. If you already have a voiceover recorded, you can simply upload your audio file. Again, head to the Uploads tab, but this time, select the audio option. Upload your MP3, WAV, or M4A file, and then just drag and drop it onto your video or presentation timeline to sync it with your visuals. Want to skip recording altogether? Canva also supports AI voiceover tools like MFAI or AI VOV. You can find these in the Apps section or through Canva's Help Center. Choose your preferred language and voice style, paste in your script, and generate the audio. Once it's ready, download the file and upload it to your project just like any other audio clip. To get the best results from your voiceover, keep a few tips in mind. Use a high-quality microphone for clearer sound, and practice your script beforehand to make your delivery smoother. You can also edit and trim your audio directly in Canva's timeline, helping everything sync perfectly with your visuals. And that's it. With these tools, adding voiceovers in Canva becomes a breeze, whether it's your own voice or an AI-generated one.